fucking 2x4.
You don't need to pick the saw up until halfway through the song. Sing the first half of the song without the saw, and then have the big finish in the second half of the song.
Okay.
For that first, when you get to the solo, that's when you pick it up.
That's after the second verse.
Yeah. Try it.
Okay. So I don't have to play.
No, just fucking perform.
Yeah. Tell you a story. Something about true love. Look down the trees in my back. Go jingle-ling-a-ling. I'm going off till the baby give you a ring. But each time I told her just that same old thing. No husband, no kiss until I get a boyfriend. My honey, my bed, don't put my elbow on the chest. They don't give me no lies. Keep them hands to yourself. Yeah, keep it hands to yourself. So I say, baby, 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 why you treat me that way? I see another boy, I feel the same way. That's because me in the story about looking now. No husband, no kiss, no now. What's out? My honey, my bed, don't put my elbow on the chest. Don't give me no lies. Keep your hands to yourself. Well, I'll tell you this, yeah. Keep your hands to yourself. Yeah, how do you like that? Keep your hands tight. Well, I'll tell you, come around my water, don't go back. I was about to go there. She started talking to her. You dare! Don't make me tell you again.